We came up to a waterfall museum here in One Mutthot, and this is like a homestay area. You can see on the side here these a lot of coffee. And then I was just noticing these staghorn ferns here. You can see every tree almost has one of these in here. I mean, I've never seen them this big before. Look at the leaves on this hanging down. And then you can see like how big the tops are too. You know, this has got like a multi-stems on them, but I've never seen like a clump that big before on top. And same as like this on this side. If you want to come up and get a better view, like look inside, like how big this like clump is here. You know, that's probably a few different generations in one. And again, we don't have these longer leaf varieties. At least you don't see them that often in Vancouver. We got the wider leaf. Look how long these things dangle down. Such a beautiful, beautiful fern when you see them, you know, naturally growing outside where they can grow 12 months a year and just enjoy the weather. But yeah, I thought we'd show you just a quick video here on some of the different tropical plants that we're spotting as we take a walk through. And yeah, lots of bamboo species and then a couple other ones with the wider leaves. And then we're going to make our way down to the zoo and see a few of the animals here as well. And then at this tree over here, I believe this is a type of a Norfolk Island pine. And see how they grow here. They're a true tree naturally. Beautiful shape to them when they're fully growing. And then on the right side here, that's again some of the long houses. They use them for multi-generations of families, community halls, you know, keeping people safe from the storms, rain, all sorts of things. And you can see how long they are. And again, they're up on stilts, and the stilts are in case there's any floods, so that way your house doesn't flood. And then they have the grass roof. And then we're gonna make our way over here to the animals, because Jonas wants to see, our son wants to see some animals. And then again, you know, look at the size of these pothos. These things are huge. I didn't think they would grow leaves that big. And then the Dieffenbachia is same thing. I mean, look at these Dieffenbachias, like they grow like trees, little trees here too. Nice coloration on the bottom. Got the mixed color. So yeah, there you have it. And we'll give you a few more videos as we go in. Oh yeah, a lipstick plant, yeah. So these will grow off of trees naturally, or, you know, as a cascading plant. You can see they planted in a vase here. Looks like it's just kind of coming to an end of the flowering, but again, we grow these indoors, bright, indirect light. And then they have a lot of ponds that they do here too, that they have water, sitting water in there, and they do a lot of the lilies. All right, well, let's go through.